So, hello and good morning everyone. Nandito ngayon tayo sa isang Catholic church na located sa Yelan. This is the Wopingi, ewan ko kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko, Catholic church na located po sa Yelan. So, this is my second day and I'll be going back to Taichung and I will drive about 6 hours by motorcycle. So, yesterday I came to Yelan and I plan to go to Woyangjiao, but then the weather is not good and the wind is very heavy. So, yun, hindi na lang muna ako natuloy kasi dapat natin isipin muna yung safety natin. But then, I'm planning to go back here. Hopefully by November, maganda na yung panahon. Kasi yesterday, nung umalis ako ng Taichung, okay naman eh. Then, nung dumating na ako dito sa Yelan, yes, grabe na yung ulan. So, ganun talaga yung buhay. Minsan, hindi talaga papabor man sa'yo. But then, you still be grateful kasi nga, may reason naman talaga. So, yun, like this, for this time, hindi man natuloy yung plano ko talaga, but it's okay kasi nga yung motorcycle ko, na-try ko siyang i-drive for long hours and nakaya niya. So, thank you for that. I'm still grateful. Even though the weather is not good, and I'm here on my second day in this church, and I'm still grateful kasi nga nakapag-pray ako one-on-one. I talk to God, and I feel better after that. I cried really while I'm praying, and I feel better after that. So, napakaganda talaga ng opportunity ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari. So, look for the brighter side of life, ika nga nila, di ba? So, kahit na hindi man pumabor yung mga ibang bagay, look for the brighter side, and yes, there's still a very good way to think positive in this journey. So yeah, I'm in the church. I feel better. I feel good. I'm going to Taichung, and yes, kayang-kaya ng motorcycle kung bumalik and drive again 6 hours. So thank you for this opportunity, and I would like to share with you this, na kahit may mga bagay na hindi man pumabor sa atin, but still, there's a reason for everything, and you can still do something para maging maganda yung journey ng trip mo. So, yeah, this trip is really a good one. And I'm thankful because, yeah, I've got time to talk to God. And after this video, I will show you the beautiful places of in this place. So, I will show you. So, thank you so much for watching.
I'm the land. I knew the path will like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. I'll sympathy when I have become. I'm getting older tonight, it's something to rely on. So tell me when you gotta let me in. I'm getting tired at night, it's somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree.